Because first of all, it's my first Christmas in July show, and so I love the fact that I get to be with you and show you these wonderful things today. But let me say this. Temp-tations has been here 21 years. They have sold more than 25 million sets of beautiful ceramic dishes and all kinds of things. And they have come up with brand new holiday cake plates. So here's what you get. It's quite amazing what all you get. The price tag, I know, $49.98, but follow me with this. First of all, you get a cake plate right here and one of the little whimsy characters right there. Underneath, do you see what the stand is? It's all the packages. And then on the top, it are the whimsy characters right there, from Santa to the snowman to the reindeer, etc., the penguin to the little guy right here, the little elf. And so this is the first one, and that is actually 10 by 10 on that cake plate. And then we also bring you the big one that is 13 by 13, basically 13 inches in diameter is what I should say. But that one also has a beautiful base to it. And so that's super cool. But wait, there's more, because what you can do is stack them. And now you can use these characters however you want. You can put them in amongst the food, or you can use them out front. But I think we should go to the lady who really has all the great ideas. And normally it's Tara Tesher, but Tara's right-hand gal is Lisa Lesort. Lisa, how are you today?
Mary Beth, it's so great to see you, and I'm so excited. This is brand new. This has never been shown before.
Wow.
And every year, Mary Beth, we bring what we call a nostalgic cake plate. We bring it in all the seasons, but this is the only one we have this year for the holidays that are upcoming.
Yeah.
So what we love about it is everyone is different. They've become collectible at this point. And you're right. It's like getting two separate pedestal pieces that you can use together. You can use separately, and then the sweetest hand-painted little characters. By the way, we've never done this one guy before. Mary Beth, I don't know if you know this. This is Elf Bertie.
Well, see, I didn't know that, and I have to tell you, I looked at them and I thought, I don't know what his name is. And so
Elf
it's
Bertie.
Elf Bertie.
I wonder who named that one. I'm not sure, but this is Elf
Well,
Bertie.
considering how much I love Alberti, I'll tell you what, I will have a little elf that name just for that reason. And then what's the gingerbread's name again?
That is Gumdrop.
Gumdrop.
It's so adorable, so sweet, our gingerbread. And Mary Beth, as you know, for 21 years, what are we known about at Temp-tations? We're known about pattern and color and iconic pieces and gathering around the table and creating those memories. And this is one of those pieces that does that. Mary Beth, I love what we did over here. We did the 2 layers, and we did a charcuterie board.
Nice.
So, yeah, we're calling it a cake plate, but you can put whatever you want on here. You could put flameless candles, you could put garland, you could put those Bethlehem light fairy lights that you just showed.
And it's food safe, obviously, because you've laid the food right on it.
Yeah, that's exactly right. It is absolutely food safe. And then what I think one of the most fun things to do, and the sizes are perfect because you get the 10-inch cake plate, and you're holding, and then the big one is a 13-inch, and that's all the whimsy characters with the vintage C9 light bulbs that dance all around the plate. But so these 2 little individual characters, to me, they make it so much fun, because look, I can pop it like right in the center if I want. Yeah. And now has a little statement in the center, or I can put it off to the side, like whatever mood you're in, you get to decide where you want to put these. Look how cute that is off to the side. Like
they are adorable, and I'm keeping them separate just because, you know, I could do hors d'oeuvres on one and cookies on the other, or anything like that. You know, however you want to do it. You can stack them, you can use them separately, but they are beautifully done. I have to tell you, well, first of all, I want you to go through the characters with me, because I love these little guys. One of my favorites is right here, the reindeer. And what's his name again?
Oh my gosh, that's Wimbley, our reindeer.
That's right. That's
absolutely adorable. And by the way, that is named for Tara's dog because that's exactly what he looks like. And then look at Penny, our penguin.
Yes. Penny the penguin. And there's Elf Bertie. Elf Bertie.
Elf Bertie. I love this. And then I love our little snowman right there, Mr. Bojingles. And by the way, David Venable named that Mr. Bojingles.
Oh, wow. And then
it's so absolutely
Santa,
sweet.
of course.
Well, we're not renaming him for sure.
No, we cannot rename him at all. These are adorable. They are brand new today. You are seeing them for the very first time. You are getting a wonderful sale price. This would otherwise be $61. We have it for $49. You're getting the characters and both of the cake plates, which can stack on top of each other or be separate. I mean, it's a lot that you're getting for this price of less than $50. Now, tell me again, how should we clean these? What are they safe for?
Sure, absolutely. First of all, they're food safe, and they're food safe for hot food, cold food, or even if you picked up stuff at the bakery and you just want to put your little pastries or delicacies right around it. That's perfect.
Great.
In terms of care, Mary Beth, you're going to want to hand wash these just like you would all of your fine pieces right there. Yeah. These guys right here, they probably, you can just rinse them off under the faucet if you want to.
Right.
But the amount of craftsmanship that goes into this, from the hand painting at the top to the embossing and the stacked presents. I mean, this is really a labor of love.
I tell you, it is amazing. And it's all solid on the bottom right here.
Yes.
So, you know that even if you stack, like I was thinking, cupcakes, and then maybe little Elf Bertie puts his feet in the cupcakes, and then you can just lick them off or rinse off, whatever you want. But just super cute. These are adorable. I'm so glad. And Lisa, you're going to be back because we've got a wonderful brand new wreath that's done in the ceramic that's all hand painted that's coming.